Opening Rockstar Games Launcher. Connecting to Rockstar Game Services. You are currently offline. To add games to your library, please connect to the internet. You are currently offline. Message is showing. Solution. Right click Wi-Fi adapter. Go to properties. Double click Internet Protocol version 4. Ensure IP and gateway is not same. Check the IP and gateway. Both not be same. You can select update an IP address automatically too. Also check you have connected to the Wi-Fi with good internet connection. Now launch the Rockstar Games Launcher. Now error fixed. Subscribe.